Care House of Oakland County has been protecting children since 1977. Each year, between 800 and 1,000 children ring the doorbell at Care House for an interview about a case of suspected child abuse. Children enter through the front door and are taken to a specially designed, age-appropriate waiting room. Law enforcement, Children's Protective Services, and members of the prosecution team enter the rear of the building. Before the child is interviewed, this team of professionals meets to review the details of the allegations in the case. They gather in the team room behind two-way mirrored glass. On the other side of the glass is the interview room, which is designed to be child-friendly and age-appropriate, just like the waiting room. Once the team has reviewed the case details, the child is interviewed by a highly trained specialist who conducts the interview in a developmentally sensitive manner that minimizes the trauma to the child. During the interview process, the child's non-offending parent or guardian meets in a separate room with a Care House crisis counselor. The crisis counselor helps the parent understand the trauma that abuse represents for the child, the possible effects of that trauma, and how to talk to the child after the interview. Each child who comes to Care House for an interview can receive therapy with a highly trained, compassionate Care House therapist. Care House offers therapy free of charge for as long as the child needs it. Therapy can last for months and even years, for it can take a long time to heal the wounds that abuse leaves inside of a child. Through all of our programs, Care House serves 4,000 to 5,000 children and families annually. While a portion of our programs are funded by state and federal grants, 40 to 50% of Care House funding comes from private donors every year. This is funding that we raise through special events and through the generosity of individuals in our community. Preventing child abuse is the ultimate goal of Care House. Our work will not be complete until there are no more child victims. For the children we serve, we cannot change their past, but we can help them map out a different future. You can be a part of changing the future for an abused child by supporting the vital work of Care House.